What's going on, guys? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you a quick, easy way on how you can block websites in Google Chrome. If you're new to the channel and you find this helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials, neat tips and tricks, and step-by-steps for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we need to do is open up our internet. And we need to come across to a website called blocksite.co, not .co.uk or .com, just .co. Hit the enter, and this is a way to do it on Google Chrome. So if you're using the Google Chrome browser, this is what you would do. When you come across to the website, in the top right hand corner, you would need to click this blue button here which says Add to Chrome. And that's going to come up with a new screen. Again, just click the Add to Chrome button up here. And then you just want to click Add Extension. I'm just going to give that a second. You can see it's just down there. It's just adding it to my Google Chrome browser. So that's now been added. It's going to redirect you to a welcome page and a little thank you page for installing the block site extension. And this is just going to basically read out the privacy policy, which you can read through if you want to. All you need to do is click I accept down here. Now it's going to offer some paid options. Don't worry, this is completely free. And all you need to do is just above the paid option, click this button here which says skip. The paid options are literally just going to give you a couple of bonus features, but you don't have to purchase it. You can use the free version and it'll work absolutely fine. And what you need to do from here is just enter the address you wish to block or the website that you want to block. So for example, if I wanted to block let's say google.com. So I'm going to type this in now so you guys can see that I click google.com and the website shows up. If I come back to the block site and I put that into here, google.com, and what I'm going to do is just click the plus button here on the right hand side. And you can see that's now added it. It says block sites and it's added it here. And if we try, see, you can see it's come up saying no way Jose. So google.com, I'm going to hit enter. Nice try. You put in your block site sis, it's probably there for a reason. So it's not going to allow me to visit that website. And you can do this for a number of websites, even though it's free. You can add, I don't know, let's say youtube.com. And again, if I try, I'm going to open up a new tab. I'm going to go, just click accept, and I'm going to type in youtube.com, hit the enter key. And again, there we are, we've been blocked. So that's a nice little piece of software, a nice little extension you can add to block websites. If you did find that helpful, drop a like and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.